Let's talk about appearance. What's the difference between look and look like? So we use look with an adjective to say how something or someone appears. We don't know for certain, but we're making a statement based on what we can see with our eyes. You look really tired today. When did you go to bed? Now remember, we can also use look for things. These grapes look delicious. We use look like to compare the appearance of something or someone to something else. So look like is followed by a noun or a noun phrase. I look like my mother. We have the same eyes. You can also use these rules with these verbs: sound, smell, taste and feel. This smoothie smells disgusting, but it tastes good.